I understand you're going to a funeral. We don't want any more funerals, right?
You're not going to do a damn thing.
I don't want to have to shoot you. Based on the way you're acting, your movements, and your speech, and also
Because I'm black. Go ahead. You can charge me with whatever you like.
On July 9th, 2023, an officer initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle observed swerving at 90 miles per hour.
Hey, good morning. How you doing? I'm Deputy Reckless, Suwannee County Sheriff's Office. I'm stopping you for your speed. I clocked at 91 miles an hour with the laser. Dude, you were going 91 miles an hour back there. We also got a call about an Escalade on I-10, swerving around cars. Okay, let me get your license, registration, and insurance, okay? Hey man, you're on a traffic stop. You need to identify yourself.
I'm headed to a funeral.
I don't care. I need your license.
I know you don't care.
I need your license, registration, and insurance. You're doing 91 miles an hour, and we got a call about your vehicle.
I had 3 cars ahead of me.
Listen, man. Give me your license, registration.
I had 3 cars ahead of me.
Stop. I need your license, registration, and insurance. You have to identify yourself, man. I don't want to have to take you to jail. All right?
You're taking me to jail.
No.
I'm going to a funeral.
No.
My older brother.
I need you to identify yourself. Yes, I'm serious. I need you to identify yourself.
I need you to turn those lights off.
No. You're on a traffic stop, man. Do you understand what the situation is right now?
What is this?
Okay. You're doing 91 miles an hour. Listen, stop talking. No, you were not. Once I got up here, you were behind that car. But way back there, I had to.
How can I be behind the car?
Listen, I'm not.
How can I be behind the car?
I'm not going to argue with you anymore. If you don't identify yourself,
I am not arguing
Okay.
with you.
Are you going to give me your identification or not? Because you're going to be under arrest for obstructing.
For what? You going to a funeral?
You're speeding.
Going to a funeral?
You're speeding.
My older brother.
All right, get out of the car. Come on. You got to identify yourself, man. Come on. 53
I get out of the car. I'm going to tell you this.
Come on. Come stand back here. Come on.
Hold on, let's sit there one second. Did you have me?
Over here.
No. I'm going to do it.
Okay. He's decided to identify himself now that basically resisting charge. All right, you good. Sit down.
I'm resisting. You just told them that I am resisting.
Say it again.
You not just tell them.
Come stand over there.
No.
Come stand over here.
Did you not just tell them that I was resisting?
Yes, when you're not identifying yourself on a traffic stop.
I just gave you my identifier.
We've been on this traffic stop for 3 or 4 minutes now, man. You have to identify yourself immediately.
So the car that I was trailing.
Listen, stop. We're not going to argue on the side of the road. You see these semis going by that fast?
The car that I was trailing.
Sir, listen. Just come stand over here. I don't want either of us to get hit, okay? I understand you're going to a funeral. We don't want any more funerals, right? We can agree on that. So just come stand over here by my car. All right.
7 to 3152.
All right. 53 Live Oak. I'm still 1058. This gentleman's not moving from his driver's side of the vehicle out of the traffic area.
Seriously.
You got to stand over here, man. It's very dangerous. Okay? Come on. Come stand over here. Come on. Right, get out of the road, bro.
I'm in Crocs.
53 Live Oak. He's standing in the road right now. I think he might be signal one. Come stand over here. How much you had to drink?
You advised the signal one.
Possibly signal one. Yeah, he was walking out into the middle of the roadway, slurring his words.
Come on.
Stumbling a little bit.
Come on now.
Sit right here. Sit right here, bro.
I'm listening to you.
Sit right here.
Telling them
Stop.
that I am doing something that I'm not doing.
Relax, okay?
Give me my license. Give me my license.
No.
Give me my license.
No.
Give me my license.
No, man. I need you to sit right
Give
here.
me my license.
All right, man. That's it. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Hold on, 31
Give
7
it back.
at 31
Just for officer safety, okay? I'm just detaining you because you can't be pointing at me like that. No. Don't resist with me, man.
No. I'm not resisting.
You cannot.
I'm telling you.
Listen.
Give me my license back.
No.
Give me
Sit
my
down.
license back.
Look, dude.
Look.
Hey.
You
stop.
are police.
Stop.
You know what that means?
Put your hands behind your back. You can't.
Give me my license.
Stop.
Give me my license.
Stop.
Back. Give me my license back.
I'm gonna tase you.
What you gonna do? You're not gonna do a damn thing. I will take your life off.
53,
I will
10,
take
24.
53,
This guy's grabbing my neck.
You right. I'm gonna take
Stop.
your motherfucking life. Give me my license.
Lava to 31
Give
what did
me
you
my
call?
license.
This man literally said he's gonna take my life. I need
Give me
10.4.
my license. Give me my license.
Dude,
Give me
Lava
my
to 31
license.
what did you copy?
I don't want to have to shoot you.
1033 traffic,
You're not gonna
somebody
shoot
1018.
Get off of me.
Lava to all 10 units, 1033 traffic, 1033 radio traffic.
Dude. You're grabbing my neck. Yes,
Right.
I'm gonna fire a warning shot, man. Do not make me shoot you. I understand that.
My brother died.
I understand.
My brother died.
Now you gotta sit there and wait for officer. Get up. Get up. When I tried to put cuffs on him for officer safety, they dropped. Don't say it. Shot? No. Good? Yeah, bro, the guy grabbed my neck, grabbed my taser. He said he was I said shots fired. No, I said no shots fired.
37 mile at 97.
I said over 1058, 1058.
Can you get up? Head over there.
I tried to, but he grabbed it from me.
Get up.
I drew it and I said, look, man, you can't. He's pointing in my face and getting up close to me.
Y'all patted down or anything yet?
No, man, to the left, rolling on the ground almost.
Let's go. Kick your leg over.
Come on, bro, you gotta get up, all right? Should maybe get EMS out here.
Come on.
Oh, why did you do that? Why did you do that?
What did I do?
You grabbed my neck, my taser?
Because you were acting like I wasn't a person.
Oh, come on, man.
I'm going to a funeral.
I understand that.
My older brother
I understand that.
who died. I was in Puerto Rico on vacation.
Watch out. Right now you are under arrest, okay?
Why? Why? Literally.
Battery on an LEO.
Why?
For battery on a law enforcement officer. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be held against you in a court. You have the right to speak to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. Do you understand these rights? They've been read to you?
I stand under.
I'm sorry?
I stand under.
You stand under. Okay, do you understand the rights I read to you?
I stand under.
You stand under. You ever heard that before?
You ready, Miranda?
Yeah. All right. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? Or this other deputy or anybody else here?
I stand under.
You stand under. Okay.
Do you have any injuries? Are you hurt?
How can I tell?
Well, I'm asking you, do you feel hurt anywhere?
How can I tell?
I asked you a question. Do you feel like you're injured anywhere? Do you need rescue?
I am.
That you're injured?
Yes.
You need to be medically checked out?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, he wants to be medically checked out. Have this one, check him out.
I still got this bin here from my car. So we can put it in your car and I'll transport him, whatever.
I got space coming from my car. Are
Can
you
I
injured?
get to my funeral?
Dude, you are going to jail.
Are you injured?
No, I'm good.
We're backing up. I'm not there.
Sir, just turn around. Sir, turn around. Turn around and lean on the car. Like, put your bottom to the car.
It hurts.
Put your bottom on.
It hurts. It hurts.
Well, that's better than falling down the hill.
It hurts.
Fine. Walk over here.
We
We're
got
gonna watch
EMS
you out in
coming out.
traffic.
Yeah, just lean your body on the car. There you go.
You're speaking kind of like slurred and you were stumbling. You like stumbled out into the road there.
I don't, that doesn't,
Say again?
I don't want to hear any of it.
I know you don't want to hear it. I'm just asking you. Have you had anything to drink? Are you taking any medicine that would make you act
Yes.
that way? Okay, what kind of medicine do you take?
All kinds.
All kinds?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, careful, man. See what I'm saying? But I'm going to have you come sit back in this car, okay? All right. Yeah.
It's too tight.
What's too tight? Did you already loosen these or no?
You did.
Okay.
You did.
All right. They loosened them already, man.
I need to loosen more.
We already loosened them, man. Go sit in the car, man. Watch your head, okay? You got it. It's too bad, man. You got to get your feet in the car. Is there anybody we can call to come get your car, or?
My wife is in Puerto Rico.
Okay, all right, go.
I'm trying to get to Mississippi.
You're not going to Mississippi, bro. You are going to jail. I need you to put your feet in the car, okay?
What's your name?
You're gonna have my name on the citations and all the arrest reports and everything. I'm sorry?
I need your name and number.
Sure. It's Michael. Last name is Rekka. And you want what? The number, like badge number? 3153. But you're gonna have paperwork that says all of that, okay? Here's my name tag. It fell off when you were trying to strangle me.
They got 1349 units here and 2 alternate units.
Scoot back, bro. We're not. This isn't like, make a deal.
Loosen the cuffs. Loosen the cuffs so I can sit.
Bro, sit in the back of the car. I've been very nice to you up until now. Come on. I was nice to you up there. I was nice to you when we got to the car. You started getting aggressive with me, pointing your finger in my face. I tried to detain you simply for officer safety so I could write a ticket.
Officer safety.
And you started grabbing my neck and swiping my handcuffs away.
Officer safety.
Come on, bro.
I'm in.
Okay, man. Come on out. I know it's going to be tough, but we'll just kind of shuffle out, all right? Yeah.
I just want to make sure everything's good.
Just try to move your leg over here, okay? There we go. Got it?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll gather myself.
Okay, all right, no problem. When you get those, careful. Just walk up to this trunk here and then face that way, and I'll get the cuffs off you, okay? So what do you prefer to go by, Anthony or Tony? Or okay. Well, I'm Deputy Rekka, okay? I'm the one that was on the traffic stop with you. Made your arrest and everything, okay? Not only were you speeding, but just based on the way you're acting and your movements and...
Because I'm black. Go ahead.
No. Based on the way you're acting, your movements, and your speech, and also
I'm black. Go ahead.
And the open container in your car, we're going to do field sobriety exercises, okay?
We're not in the field, but okay.
Well, field means anywhere that we're conducting
go ahead.
them, okay? We're not in like a controlled lab environment, all right? Do you want to participate in them?
I have fibromyalgia.
You what?
Fibromyalgia.
Sure.
Is what I have.
Okay. Is that going to prevent
That means every portion of my body is in pain.
Is in pain?
Right now, even as I look at you.
Sure. No,
as much as I want to do what you thought I was doing to you earlier.
Uh-huh.
Right? I can't.
I understand. I understand. Do you...
But, sure. Whatever you want to do.
All right. Well, then we'll go ahead and do it, all right? Aside from the fibromyalgia, do you have any medical issues that,
High blood pressure.
high blood pressure,
You name it.
anything that makes your eyes go...
Anything that you people try to make me people do.
Okay, gotcha. So first I'm going to check your eyes, okay? So what?
Are you my optometrist? I don't think so.
No,
Exactly.
I'm not your
So
optometrist.
you can't check my eyes.
Okay, well I'm going to check them, okay?
Next.
So are you refusing?
Are you refusing or?
Next.
Okay, I'm going to give you one.
You can't check my eyes.
Okay, I'm going to give you one more.
You're not an optometrist,
No,
right?
no.
Exactly.
I'm going to intervene real quick. So I'm Trooper Fennel, Florida Highway Patrol. Okay.
Trooper,
I'm
are
gonna
you an
assist-
optometrist?
Real quick, I'm just going to assist
Are
with
you
field
an
sobriety
optometrist?
exercises. At this time, we're going to ask if you want to do field sobriety exercises for the
Are
eyes.
you
Is
an
that
optometrist?
That's refusal. Okay, so next
He
exercise.
said
Okay,
optometrist.
all right.
Next
Now we're going to do what's called a walk and turn, okay?
Okay.
I want you to listen to these instructions,
Sure.
and then don't start until I tell you, but get into the position as I'm giving you the instructions to do so, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate. Put your left foot on the line, left foot with your right foot in front like this.
It's the best I can do.
That's the best you can do?
I have fibromyalgia.
I know, I understand.
Okay.
All right, so
For you and the trooper.
okay, so we'll just go on to the next one.
Oh yeah. Does he not want to? Does he feel like he can't perform?
He's saying, let me make sure I understand you correctly. Because of your medical condition, you're saying that right there is the best you can do on the walk and turn exercise.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
I mean, I'm limited. And what you said
I know.
you're doing now.
Well, so that's why we have
I'm
multiple.
limited.
That's why we have multiple exercises. So you can try different ones and whatnot. All right.
I mean, even as you see me here now.
Sure.
Every joint in my body
Okay.
So therefore, you cannot.
is on 9.
So therefore, you
What would
cannot
think 10.
complete or do these
Yeah,
exercises.
we understand what you're saying.
I can do what I can do
Okay. So do you want to try?
as best I can.
All right. Well, I'll give you one more chance. Okay. The next one we're going to do is called the one-legged stand. Okay. And my foot up, and my one leg is straight on the ground, and I'm holding a steady
You
position.
can't even do it. So how you expect me to do
I'm
it?
doing it right there.
I mean, I can't do it.
Okay.
I mean, I have Fibromyalgia. Look it up.
Sure.
Google.
I understand. All right, so go ahead and get in that position where you put your leg, one leg out, hands by your sides, and you can begin the test.
That's it. That's all I can do.
Okay, no problem. You want to do the nose thing?
Yeah, we get the three. Just can't do it because it's medical. So
Okay, no problem.
we'll go
Thank you,
based
sir.
off what we have.
Can I call Ryan?
Ryan,
DeSantis.
you want to call Ron DeSantis? Yeah, if you want that to be your phone call, you can call the governor's office. It's no problem. Sure. All right, great.
You are under arrest for other charges, but one of those are going to be DUI. I'm going to be doing the intoxilizer. Okay. With that being said, would you voluntarily like to give a sample of your breath to determine the purpose of alcohol content?
Don't worry, so you're out of the car. Get it.
Hey, real quick. So it's going to be implied consent. So this deputy's going to read you a card, which is implied consent. Okay. So it's every time you sign your driver's license, you're saying you'll give a sample of your breath. However, you're refusing to do so, and we can't just force you to do it, right?
Let me get this key real quick.
Okay.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yeah.
Yeah, where's that at?
Somewhere in the ID that you took from me.
Okay, like in your wallet and whatnot?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it in date?
As far as I know.
Okay. All right, gotcha. Okay. That vape
Can
pen,
you show me what you took from me?
we have all your stuff, yeah. We haven't processed
I can
it.
show you where it is.
Okay, well, I'll go through it and I'll try to find it. All right. But right now, I'm just going to take you on your word for it. There was also what we call a vape pen.
Sure.
Okay. What's in that? Is that like a tobacco
Same
vape?
thing.
Tobacco vape pen?
Same thing.
Same thing. What? Is marijuana in there?
Same thing.
Same thing as what? Is it like a marijuana concentrate?
Look at the card. It will tell you what I'm prescribed for.
Sure. But I'm asking you, in that vape pen, is
Look at
that?
the card. It will tell you what I'm prescribed
I'm not looking at it. I'm asking you. So is that
for.
a?
Next.
You don't want to answer that question? Okay, no problem. So what's going to happen is I'm going to test it for THC concentrate. If it comes back positive for THC concentrate, I'm going to charge you with possession of a
You
hallucinogen.
can charge me with whatever you like.
All right, thanks, sir.
Can you tell me what happened out on the side of the road?
Yeah. I was pulled over as I was trailing 2 to 3 vehicles ahead of me.
Mm-hmm.
The allegation was that I was speeding. I was like, how can I be speeding
Okay.
when I'm trailing these 3 vehicles?
Mm-hmm.
And then from there, it just escalated. You know, he became very aggressive and so on and so forth. And I was like, man, I'm just trying to make it to my hometown, go to a funeral. My brother passed away.
I understand that, and I'm very, very sorry about your brother.
But that was it. That
But
was it.
how come you refused to give the deputy your license?
I didn't feel like he had a right to it. I
It's a-
said,
it's
if you
a-
want to take my license, then you could have taken those 2.
It's a traffic stop. He has every right. Upon a traffic stop, you have to provide your license. I'm sorry, that's the law. Whether you agree with it or not, that's the law.
Yeah. But from my vantage point, in that moment in time,
Mm-hmm.
is what you're asking me to reflect upon.
Mm-hmm.
If you're going to take my license, then you should have taken those 2 or 3 guys ahead of me.
He wasn't on the traffic stop with them. He was on the traffic stop with you.
That's my point.
Okay.
I wasn't leading. I wasn't in the middle. I was trailing.
Okay, and then when he tried to get you out of the road and actually take you into custody, you started fighting with him. You actually put your hands around his neck and told him that you would take his
That was
life.
after he accosted me.
No, sir, he did not.
Yes, sir, he did.
Okay, are you injured in any way?
I can't be any more injured than I am already.
Okay, well, what do you mean by that?
I mean, the moment I was notified of my brother's passing, I was injured as far as I can be.
Okay, I understand that. Have you ever been arrested before?
I can't recall what I have fibromyalgia. If I've been arrested 2 or 3 weeks ago, I wouldn't remember it.
Okay. Well, according to dispatch, you haven't been. That's why I was asking. But just to give you a little bit of education, whether or not that you feel the traffic stop was justified or not, you do not have the right to fight with law enforcement.
Nor does he have the right to accost me.
He didn't accost you. He had a legal right to take you into custody, and you can argue that point with your lawyer. But right now, you're being charged aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, resisting without violence, and driving under the influence.
Anthony Eugene Woods was charged with aggravated battery, obstructing police, resisting arrest, DUI, and possession of a controlled substance.